Tempted by Temu's unbelievable free gifts, but wondering if it's too good to be true? Let's dive in. First, understand the structure. Temu often offers free items as incentives for new users, referrals, or completing in-app activities like spinning wheels or playing mini-games. Next, do your research. User reviews are key. Look for patterns. Are people consistently receiving the promised items, or are there complaints of missing gifts, unexpected charges, or low-quality products? Watch out for red flags. Be wary of offers that require excessive personal information, demand upfront payment for shipping on free items, or pressure you to make additional purchases. Deep dive into the terms and conditions. Temu's fine print can reveal hidden clauses, limitations on gift eligibility, or unexpected obligations tied to these promotions. Manage your expectations. While some users genuinely receive valuable items, others report receiving lower quality or less desirable products than advertised. It's a gamble. Finally, track your orders. Keep a record of the free items you've claimed, along with any associated costs. This helps you identify discrepancies and dispute any unwarranted charges with Temu or your payment provider.